I am a firm believer that every one of us can do something. I am a firm believer that there's nothing too small that every one of us can do. Wherever you live and wherever you're from. And I also believe that it's our responsibility, that it's everyone's responsibility. Because if I'm not doing something to at least try to make it better, and maybe I'm making it worse, I don't mean to, but if I'm not trying to do something, then it's hard for me to get up and look at myself in the mirror and say, okay, So I take that very personally as well. And I really don't think there's anything too small. What I do think is that Americans who are not, in the region and there and living it day to day, I really would like to see support for positive things. It's very hard for me as a person who believes in peace to see all the anti-work, anti-this, anti-that. We have enough hate in our region. We do not need to import hate from outside the region. So when there's a dialogue group, I would like to see people supporting the dialogue group. When an organization does something, a joint good action, I would like to see support of that. I would like to see support of positive actions, because also what I know from learning and education is people learn better through positive things as opposed to negative things. So I think any positive letters of support, aid to people who are doing the hard work on the ground, I think it's immense, as opposed to letters or actions that, in my opinion, are very hate-filled and making it worse. Because maybe we're moving a little forward and then things from the outside happen and you push us back. And it's hard enough for us as it is.